Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get better responses with ChatGPT. And in order to get better responses in ChatGPT, you need to teach it. You need to correct it from its mistakes. You need it to help it improve. And let me show you how that works. So let's say I would want to ask what is 1 plus 1. Okay, that sounds very simple. Just gives us 1 plus 1 equals 2. But then how about we ask it something different? How about we ask ChatGPT what exactly happens in the process of adding 1 plus 1? I know that sounds very stupid when you ask it, but like it's gonna change the way ChatGPT responds. Let me just show you. Alright, as you can see, when you add 1 to another 1, blah blah blah, it now explains everything more precisely. It now explains everything in detail, not just 1 plus 1 equals 2. And you can actually make this even much better by suggesting like different ways of how ChatGPT should talk to you. Let's say, can you tell it to me as if I was like a young kid? Or like, yeah, can you tell it to me clearly? As you can see, when you add 1, it actually has put the number in like these braces, these parentheses, and like, yeah, this is, as you can see, even if like in the next output from ChatGPT, it has also implemented these parentheses, numbers in parentheses, and you can really tell ChatGPT is learning to adapt to how you want this AI to respond to you. And that is really all that you need to do. You just need to keep correcting ChatGPT, just keep suggesting him how to talk to you, and you should get the response that you want to get. And I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye!